Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Huawei device software and making a backup. This prevents data loss. Once done, enable unknown sources and USB debugging so the phone accepts necessary APKs. Then, download the correct Google services, Play Store, and a Safety Net Helper app to internal storage. Choose builds compatible with your Android framework. This immediate sequence avoids partial installs and permission errors. Keep the phone charged above 50% and on Wi-Fi before installing to prevent interruptions or corrupted downloads. You now install core components in strict order. Google Services Framework first, then Play Services, and finally the Play Store. This ensures dependencies load correctly. After each install, grant runtime permissions and reboot the device to register services. Without reboots, background processes may not initialize. If an install fails, check for signature mismatches or conflicting Huawei microms and use a package manager or Magisk module to inject corrected libraries. Make sure versions match your OS to avoid boot loops. You finish by opening the Play Store, signing into your Google account, and allowing Play services to update. This restores syncing and notifications. If you encounter login loops, clear app cache and data for Google Play, Services, and Framework, then reboot. Make sure Google Play Protect is enabled to reduce app issues. If problems persist, such as persistent crashes or safety net failures, remove any conflicting mods and, as a last resort, reflash stock firmware and perform a clean reinstall to restore a stable environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.